Like any 3-year-old, my son wanted a Paw Patrol themed birthday party. I found all these great products and I put together these goodie bags. I'm gonna walk through each product. Let's get started. These gift bags are perfect for your next kid's birthday party. Here's why. You get 24 of these bags in 8 different colors. These can be used as treat bags, goodie bags, gift bags, you name it. And just by looking at these vibrant colors, can you tell what my son's birthday party was? Paw Patrol. The size of these gift bags were perfect. They're not oversized, so you have to feel like you have to fill them up, but they were big enough to put a bag of popcorn, some snacks, a toy, stickers, temporary tattoos. This is some really good quality craft paper. And with all of these colors, these bags are gonna match your theme, whether it's a baby shower, classroom event, holiday, birthday party. I think they're a great value for the money. They're a perfect goodie bag size, and they're made from quality craft paper. These Paw Patrol stickers are your MVP for your next party. So you know how kids can be obsessed with stickers and be obsessed with Paw Patrol, but then you find Paw Patrol stickers? Game over. So I used these stickers in all my son's goodie bags. I stuck them to the front of the goodie bags. I put a bunch of stickers inside all the goodie bags. And my son, for Valentine's Day, put stickers for his whole class in all of his cards. These are a really good size. They're not those tiny, flimsy little stickers, and great for putting on top of a goodie bag. What I love most about these stickers is not only, they're a nice size, they're 2.5-inch squares, but they're bright, they're vibrant, and you get 5 different variations across 100 stickers. These stickers are perfect for goodie bags, candy bags, party favors. I mean, come on, kids love stickers, and they love Paw Patrol. If you have a birthday party coming up, classroom event, holiday, or you just want to be the cool parent with sticker rewards, now's the time to get your hands on these Paw Patrol stickers. I never appreciated temporary tattoos until I became a parent. My son had a Paw Patrol themed birthday party, and so I bought these temporary tattoos, and they were a hit. In this package, you get 50 tattoos featuring all of your core Paw Patrol characters. I cut them out, I put them in all the goodie bags, and I set up a fun tattoo station at the party. And let me tell you, these kids were obsessed. My son wanted a whole sleeve on his arm. Remove the plastic, press the tattoo down, dab it with a damp cloth, and hold for about 30 to 60 seconds, and boom, your little one is officially part of the Paw Patrol. What I love about these tattoos are how bright and vivid the colors are, and they don't fade in the shower. These tattoos lasted almost a week on my kids' arms. That's a whole week of baths and playground activities. You get 50 tattoos in this entire pack, so it's perfect for birthday parties, perfect to cut them out, put them in goodie bags. You get so many of these. We're almost a month since my son's birthday party, and we're still applying tattoos. And if you have a Paw Patrol fan at home, trust me, you're gonna wanna get these. These are the Paw Patrol Rescue Wheels. It's a 6-piece pup squad featuring Rubble, Marshall, Chase, Rocky, Zuma, and Sky, your original core pup crew. My son loves monster trucks and he loves the Paw Patrol, so these toys are a perfect combination of both. These cars roll so smoothly. They feel durable and they're not too weighed down. While these cars are on the smaller side, I was expecting something even smaller, so I'm very surprised by the size, in a good way. I think they're a great size, and they're even small enough to take on the go. I appreciate how detailed the characters and the cars are. The colors are true to each character in the franchise. Take Rocky, for example. My son is going to love these. I had so much fun putting this Paw Patrol party together. I think I got a little too much into character as the tattoo artist, but my son had a ton of fun, and that's what counts. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video.